I'm a seasonal interpreter here for the Cumberland Trail State Park. Today I'm going to teach you how to make redbud jelly. So these beautiful purple trees that you see in bloom right now are redbuds. They're actually native to this area and the flowers are edible. So what you're going to need a pot, a strainer, some Sure Gel, some lemon juice, sugar, some jars, and of course redbud flowers. So you're going to want to gather about half a gallon of these flowers. So what I've done up to this point is I boiled some water and I poured it over my redbud flowers in this jar. Then I sealed it and I let it sit overnight. I've also taken a small ceramic plate like this and I put it in my fridge so it can chill because we will need it later. So what we're going to do at this point is we're going to strain the liquid out of this into a jar, into this pot. And then we're going to bring this to a boil. Okay, so now that it's boiling, I will add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for every quart that I have. I will add 1 tablespoon of Sure Gel for each quart. And then 2 cups of sugar. And I will let this simmer for 10 minutes. So a way to test it after it's been simmering for a while is to take your chilled plate, take a little tiny drop of this, and put it on it. And if it kind of gels up instead of spreads everywhere, then you're good. So what we'll do is we'll take it off the heat, and then we'll carefully transfer it into these jars. So here they are in their jars. They will take about 24 hours to set up all the way. And I will say that I did have to add a little bit of extra Sure Gel in order for mine to set properly. You may have to add half a tablespoon or a whole tablespoon extra to yours as well.